Unlock your Walmart Plus benefits as an associate and start saving today. As a valued Walmart associate, your hard work is recognized with exclusive perks, including a Walmart Plus membership. This guide will walk you through activating your benefit seamlessly. First, you'll need to access the Walmart Associate Hub. This is your central portal for all company information and benefits. Navigate to the Benefits or Associate Perks section. Once you're in the Benefits section, look for a way to search or browse available programs. Type Walmart Plus into the search bar, or find it listed among the employee discounts and rewards. You should now see information about the Walmart Plus Associate Program. Locate the prominent Activate Now or Enroll button and click on it to begin the process. The system will likely ask you to verify your employment to confirm your eligibility. This usually involves entering your employee ID or logging in with your Walmart work credentials. Follow the prompts carefully. Upon successful verification, you'll either be automatically redirected to the Walmart Plus website to complete your membership setup, or you'll receive a confirmation that your membership is active. You may need to create a new password for your Walmart Plus account if you don't already have one. Congratulations! You've now activated your Walmart Plus membership. You can download the Walmart Plus app or visit the Walmart Plus website to start enjoying your benefits, such as free delivery from your local store, number prices on fuel, and exclusive deals. Start experiencing the convenience and savings that come with being a Walmart Plus member, all thanks to your dedicated work as a Walmart associate.